So here's how to change location on Facebook Marketplace. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Facebook account. Once you are logged into your Facebook profile, now here you have to click on the three horizontal lines or the profile icon at the top right corner, then click on the Marketplace. Now here you have to click on the location at the top, and once you click on it, now here you will be able to view all of the location near you. You have to select the location to which you want to change your current location, or simply you can search your location by typing your location manually at the search bar. You can also use the custom radius and suggested radius option to set your location. To custom radius setting, you have to simply place this circle into the location that you want to change. Here I'm gonna place this circle at the top of my location, then click on OK. You have to correctly locate the center point at the map. Once you have successfully selected your location, now you have to click on Apply to apply this location. But before that, you have to make sure that you have turned off your Facebook mobile pickup location. To cancel the access of your current location to Facebook app, you have to go to the apps and then you have to restrict the permissions. You can simply do this setting onto your mobile settings. After that, you will be successfully able to change your current location on Facebook Marketplace. So that's how to change location on Facebook Marketplace.